Everyone, in this video I'm going to explain to all of you about how to make a floating circle table. First of all, we have to make a circle here. We can set the segment. We can type on our keyboard 100s and enter. We can set the radius. We can set the radius around 300 millimeter. Then we can push it to the front. Push it up around 30 millimeter. Then we can make group. Okay, and then we can move it up around 600 millimeter. Okay, and then we can duplicate it and move it down around 600 millimeter also. Then we can offset inside. Can offset it inside around 150 millimeter. Then we can push it until the limit. Okay, and then we can copy. We can make a circle again right here on a middle point. Okay, and then we can set the base plate around 50 millimeter radius. Then we have to push it up around 5 millimeter only, then make group. Okay, and then we can make the another plate, bottom plate of the table. We can use a circle. Okay, and then we can set the plate of the table around 250 millimeter of the radius. Then we have to push it down 50 millimeter and make group, and we can make a circle here. We can set the radius around 7 millimeter. Okay, and then place on the position. Then we can push it a little up, and then we can make group and make component, operate it. Then we can we can rotate it on the middle point. Then we can duplicate it. We can type 4 slash. Okay, and then we can adjust it with the circle, with the rotate. Anyway, we can adjust it, and also we can adjust this with the rotate. Okay, and then we can push it up to the bottom plate of this table. Then we can assign a material with the dark material anyway for the support. We can use dark material for the support, like right here. Then we can select synthetic surface and vertical laminated light, and it's about the floating table anyway. Then we can move it up. Okay, you can move it up and scale. Okay, and we can also duplicate it again. Okay, and move it just a little bit, move it up and scale again of this top table support. Anyway, this is a floating round table anyway. Okay, I think it's enough. Wait for my next video. Thank you.